Okay, I think I got enough of it. I'm just holding the video camera as I get up here. Now see, this has to go like that. See how this is oblong? See how I made the hole? I made the hole oblong, so I didn't have to make it any bigger than I had to. And that's gonna be able to fit up in there, I believe. I'm gonna have to make sure I'm not hitting anything. With stucco ceilings, there's wire up there, razor wire type stuff, and you have to make sure the backing of that is moved out of the way. So that's why I took my crummy screwdriver and kind of wedged that out of the way, because this has to be pushed right up. And I want to talk about this here for a minute, okay? Now once you get your hole big enough, you should be able to shine a flashlight up there, or take your finger or something to determine whether or not you think this is going to fit. Now see, when you have it on there, you don't have to make it flush with that. When this is pushed down, you got to make sure you got enough threads coming through there to where this will pop up properly, okay? So I could, see how it's sticking out a 1/4 inch? I could make that just 1/8 of an inch. You see what I mean? Even though it's inset, I just need to make sure that this thing pops out the whole way, because if it only pops out like that and you try to tighten it up, there's no way you're going to tighten it up, because the screw's not going to come through the hole, right? Okay, then this thing here, I can screw this onto the threads about 1/4 of an inch. Well, if you need to gain 1/16 of an inch, you can loosen that up just a little bit, so you got just a little bit of extra room for this to pop up there. And then as this comes down, this will tighten up on the threads to a certain extent to get it up there if you need more room. Now I'm pretty sure this is plenty. This is plenty of room. I think that stucco up there is actually, oh, maybe 1/2 inch to 5/8 of an inch, and I'm thinking, is that going to hold this whole thing? Yeah, it should, because this is going to flop over on the back side. Do you see what I mean? And you'd have to crack the stucco out all the way through. And talking about the stucco cracking, when you're using your nail set up there, you don't want to kick out too much on the back side to think you're going to get the hole a little bit bigger, and then maybe you don't use that. Now you're going to make the stucco that much weaker all the way around it once you get your toggle up there. Do you see what I mean? Okay, so now I'm almost ready. I need to double check, make sure it'll slip through there properly without it gouging on the side. And I can, as long as I can push it up yay far, then I can gently pull down and know that I'm all set to go. Okay, so that's my next step, and I'm going to be putting this one in. Be right back.